Welcome to Everything Philippines official channel, your passport to adventure. Get ready to wanderlust with us as we uncover hidden gems, share travel tips, and immerse ourselves in cultures around the Philippines. Whether you're dreaming of far-off destinations or planning your next getaway, join our community of explorers by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Let's embark on unforgettable journeys together. Habagat, or the southwest monsoon, is a seasonal weather pattern in the Philippines, typically occurring from May to October. It brings heavy rains and strong winds from the southwest, affecting much of the country with significant precipitation and cooler temperatures. This season can lead to flooding and landslides in some areas due to the intense rainfall. During the Habagat season, Boracay experiences increased rainfall and stronger winds, which can impact its usual beach conditions. Visitors might encounter rough seas, overcast skies, and occasional heavy showers. While the rain can make some outdoor activities less enjoyable, the island remains accessible, and the landscape can be lush and green. If you plan to visit Boracay during this time, it's wise to check weather forecasts regularly and be prepared for unpredictable conditions.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till our next video.